Today, I'm sharing my secret for a quiet luxury makeup look. You can produce an expensive-looking appearance effortlessly. I'm using 5 of my favorite makeup items that I love. Let's start with the base. Clarins Double Serum Foundation. This is for ultimate radiance. The texture is very lightweight and it's infused with their famous serum. The finish makes your skin look healthy, like you've been drinking 8 glasses of water a day. Then add dimension with MAC Skin Finish Light Struck. This liquid highlighter has a very luxurious shine. I recommend mixing it with your foundation. Your skin will instantly look shiny like a spotlight is on your face all the time. For cheeks and eyes, I use the Red Chamber Blush Cream. The creamy texture is incredibly smooth and easy to blend. It gives a natural, subtle color, helping to create a soft and balanced look. Then set everything perfectly with the legendary Chanel Loose Powder. This powder is incredibly fine. It helps maintain a glowy complexion and doesn't make the face look thick or dry. Finally, I finish off this stunning look with MAC Ruby Woo. This lipstick is a vibrant red shade. It instantly brightens the face and helps complete the look. This is my quick and easy luxury look for every day. Have you tried these products? Let me know in comments. See you in the next video.